Hi there, Brad Gray, Four Seasons RV in Medicine Hat. Today I'm going to take you through the 2022 Keystone Avalanche. This Keystone Avalanche is our 322 model. As you can see up front, you're going to have your high gloss finish on the exterior. This unit will come with the 6-point hydraulic leveling system as well. You're going to get the 200 solar flex on top of the roof with the charge controller, 6-point hydraulic leveling system. This unit also has a 16-foot awning up front and an 11-foot awning on the back slide as well. As we walk into the Avalanche, you're going to notice your solid step entry. This unit has 16-inch tires. Very nice pass-through storage. This unit also has seamless windows on the outside. As we enter the 322, first thing you're going to notice is your large 18-cube gas electric fridge. Very nice open space in this unit. Large windows. This unit has the freestanding table with the lounge chairs. You're also going to see your large tri-fold sofa. Beautiful entertainment center with fireplace. What I really notice when I walk into this unit is the counter space. Gives you that extra hutch at the back end there with a large island kitchen. And then as we walk upstairs, walk into the master suite. Lots of room. Large closet up at the front here. Walk-in closet. Very spacious. This unit also comes with the ensuite, so you can walk straight into the bathroom, into your walk-in shower. Overlooking the living area from the top. As you can see, very nice open unit. Come see us, Four Seasons RV Medicine Hat. My name is Brad Gray, 403-504-9742. I'd love to earn your business.